In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best working Macy's promo code in this month. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser, then go to google.com and in the search bar enter Macy's promo code. It moves you to that page where you can see a lot of different websites that contains promo code. You can open up any of that size and there, as you can see, I got 34 different coupons. I can look at them all, but usually the best offers are on the first positions. So now here I can see that this coupon gives me $50 off sunglasses with Macy's promo code. And also there I can look at other coupons, and here I can tap at more details to get some additional information, and also I can hit at show coupon to see the promo code, and there I can hit on that icon to copy that coupon to my clipboard. Then I can go to Macy's website and buy their stuff, and once I'm ready to pay, all I have to do is to not forget enter the promo code and double check if that promo code is applied. If for some reason you tried that promo code and it doesn't work, you can always go back on that site, and there you can get another promo code and test how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.